We've made another terrible mistake. My ear is filled with shaving cream. And I fear permanent damage. Virus will not be the end of me, but that can of shaving cream might.
What is that? Peter, I want to see what's inside of that. I want to see what's inside of that.
We're just gonna copy what's inside now.
Put it down! Stop spraying it!
Okay, stop.
Have you ever been at the dollar store? No.
And you were like, what's inside of that? No one's ever done this before. We're finding what's inside of these cans.
On episode 2.
Dad, I want to keep these things. Don't make me cut them open. What channel are we? Cue the roll. That's it.
Rolling.
3, 2, 1.
We are science.
Who am I? Action stop.
Every time.
Okay, hurry up. Today, we're gonna be exploding these cans.
Science.
Yeah. Cue the roll, Phil.
Okay. First thing we've...
Yes, that's it. That's it. We're done.
Gilet.
Gilet. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we get the point. Stop. Peter, it's making a mess. We get the point. Now you know what happens when we poke it? Hatchet round.
Go!
What happened? I didn't see.
Done. We're never doing this.
Just leave it out for the next few days and it'll get washed off with the rain.
Why are you putting it in your hair, idiot? Oh, look at that hair. Bathroom cleaner. Beautiful.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to clean it.
Stop stroking it.
Ready?
Oh! I'm glad we put that tarp there.
How does it smell? Oh, maybe a little bit of
Smells
bleach.
like a
I'm
car
so glad we
wash.
put that tarp there.
Powder stick.
Dollar Tree X body spray.
Hurry, fast.
Ow, that hurts so. Oh. Feel it, it's cold.
It blows up in my hand.
It's really cold.
Foaming tire shine.
Bubbling.
Tire shiner.
Mmm,
Man.
tasty.
Tire shine. Science. Oh.
Whoa, not very good.
Dollar store goofy string.
Silly string. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, it's resilient.
It's really strong.
Observation. Resilient.
Oh.
10 points.
I would rate that a 1 out of 10.
It hit you like you start doing ratings now. Moose.
Hair mousse.
3, 2, 1.
Oh god.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Okay, I would rate that one 3 out of 10 interesting.
Not very good, but we've seen better.
What's next? Up on the chopping block, literally.
Dollar Tree shaving drill.
It's like cheese in a can.
3, 2, 1, science.
Oh.
You're-
This one happens every time I...
It went. Okay.
0.
0 out of 10. Pathetic.
What is it?
The
Glade.
only brand name thing from Dollar Tree.
Done.
Glade.
Glade? What's it called? Sultry spiced rhythm.
3, 2, 1. Oh,
No, it don't.
again.
Oh my god! Oh no!
Oh my god, they hit me right in the ankle. Directly into my ankle.
Your uncle.
Okay, folks. I would rate this 11 out of 10. Epic. Generic body spray.
Yum.
Amazing.
Peter.
It's all you.
Oh, you quit?
3,
Why are you angling it at me?
1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
11 out of 10.
The final one.
Hairspray.
Just hairspray.
Non-branded hairspray. How will she go? You've always wanted to break open your mom's hairspray.
3, 2, 1.
Where'd it go?
Right here.
Right there.
3,
I actually-
2.
Ow, it's cold. It got on me. It did it again. It could have hit you again.
11 out of 10.
Would've.
This is another 11.
What did we learn? What did we learn?
Since there's no school, we're doing science right. Hypothesis.
Reading.
Conclusion. Peter, the conclusion is Glade.
Sword sharp. Glade weak. Man powerful. That's